In person. So the CDC reporting these cases are coming in at levels we haven't seen in a decade.
Yes.
How worried should we be about this? Are you on edge?
We should be very worried. One, because I'm an asthmatic, but yeah, we should definitely be on edge because we've just never seen such numbers like this in a long time. But it's because, the vaccines, you get your vaccines as kids and then you just forget about it. And we need to go back and get some boosters and then we had a lot of people that weren't vaccinated over the pandemic because they missed doctor's appointments or then once they got out of the pandemic, they were afraid of vaccinations for whatever reason. So, yeah.
You and I were talking just in commercial break. You had a friend who just called you and said, I have whooping cough. What is